Hi, thanks for taking the time to create an account. My name is Sam Stoffel and I'm the founder of Profit Accumulator. Since we started in 2014, we've helped more than 100,000 people to make money from our Platinum membership, and now it's your turn too. Now you might be wondering what the catch is. And whilst this is essentially free money that you're going to earn here, you are going to have to put in a bit of time to learn how the system works. Once you have learned how it works and you've done it a few times, you'll be able to do it much faster, and it will therefore take a lot less time. For now, whilst I teach you the basic process, I'd really suggest that you set aside a good hour of your time to really learn how this system works. It might seem complicated at first, but actually it's pretty straightforward. I would suggest you grab a pen and paper and take some notes as you watch these videos. The basic idea works like this. There are two kinds of bets, back bets and lay bets. A back bet is betting that something will happen, and a lay bet is betting that it won't. If you think about it, in any kind of bet, someone is backing it and someone is laying it. So for example, if you were to say to a friend, "I bet that I can hold my breath for 3 minutes," your friend might say, "I bet you can't." One of you is backing it, saying that it will happen, and the other one is laying it, saying it won't. It's the same if you were to place a bet on a horse on the Grand National. When you place a bet, you're backing it to win, but the bookmaker you're placing the bet with is laying your bet because they're saying that the horse is not going to win. If the horse wins, then of course you win your bet, but if the horse doesn't win, the bookmaker wins. Two parts to the same bet. With matched betting, you're going to be placing both types of bet yourself. So you might place a back bet on England to win a football match, and then you would also place a lay bet, again on England to win the football match. So it's two opposing bets on the same thing. So if England do win, your back bet will win and your lay bet will lose. If they don't win, your lay bet will win and your back bet will lose. But what if it's a draw? Well, that counts as them not winning. So again, your lay bet will win and your back bet will lose. Basically, what this means is, as long as you back and lay the same thing, it doesn't matter what happens. Whether they win, whether they don't win, whether it's a draw, doesn't matter. One bet will win and the other will lose. Very simple. Now the way we actually use this to make money is by taking advantage of free bets and bonuses. Let's talk about those. Bookmakers give out free bets as promotions. They do this because they want to attract you as a customer and they hope that you will keep betting with them. But we're not going to do that. What we're going to be doing is opening accounts with many different bookmakers. There are close to 100 of them. And we're going to take advantage of their free bet welcome offers and existing customer offers. Every time we place a back bet with a bookmaker, we're going to place a lay bet somewhere else. Back bets are placed with bookmakers like Coral or William Hill or Betfred, and lay bets are placed with betting exchanges like Smarkets. This is what we're going to talk about in the next video.